Hi, this is Iwei, and I'm happy to let you know that we have recently launched a new set of free tools on Volume AI, including audit tools and metrics, the top posts, and the KR finder, and the meme maker and tweet generator. Let me show you how to use them. You can generate mock tweet screenshots quickly with customizable handles. Content metrics is very easy to use. Just click the tags and replace them. Hi, this is Volume AI. And you can download them in your own computer. Click download, and we have the KR finder, which is very useful, that you can find high quality creators across themes and follower ranges in seconds in this tool. And we have the corresponding categories and keywords, and you can search the specific range KOLs. For example, and we have the meme maker, which enables you to create on-brand memes quickly with curated templates for X creators. And use the template, and now you can add top text on the photo. What's that? The new Volume AI. And that's funny to create memes, which makes your tweets easier to go viral. And we have this training on X tool, which allows you to discover what's training on X with AI powered insights across 30 topics. So okay, you have only limited chances to use, but all of this is free.